Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to have fun learning the ABCs. Let's learn the letter D. Can you say D? D is the first letter in the word doll. Here are some more things that start with the letter D. Door, dog, and duck. Let's learn how to write the letter D. First, we draw a line straight down. Then, starting at the top, make a curved line going all the way down, connecting to the bottom. That looks great, everyone. Raise your hands if you know how to sing the alphabet song. Great! Let's sing it together. That sounded great! You all sang beautifully. But now it's time for our pop quiz. Do you know which letter comes after D in the alphabet? Is it the letter E? The letter F? Or is it the letter G? Raise your hand if you guessed the letter E. Great job, everyone! You all are amazing learners. I hope you'll join us again in the future for more alphabet adventures. And be sure to check out Wise Little Learners for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.